Hey, welcome back to the channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. And let's get right into this video. I'm extremely excited about it. It's not always about sneakers on the channel. And because recently my channel got eligible for monetization, this is a bit of a present for myself, maybe. This is just going to be an unboxing. I'm not going to review these watches. Also, I'm not familiar with all the watch terms, but feel free to roast me in the comments. So I got my real carbon fiber unboxing pocket knife right here, and 4 watches. And if you stick till the end, you'll see the 5th one, this bad boy. So way before being into sneakers and collecting them, I was very passionate about watches. Of course, another dangerous and expensive hobby. So I've tried to stay away, but after buying this cool calculator watch, and after getting this cool camo Casio oak from my brother for my birthday, sadly I got hooked. Also in my collection I'm looking for symmetry in the dial or the watch face or whatever you call it. Alright, so this is the W800H 2AVDF. I wanted to get a classic Casio when I don't want to wear my calculator watch. And by the way, I like my watches to fit loose on the wrist. I don't want my circulation cut, in case you were gonna comment about it. Moving on with the HDC 700 1AVEF. I wanted a combination of an analog watch with a bit of a screen. I think this looks really nice and a bit like a G-Shock for a really low price. Sure. And this is the AE 1100 WD1 AVEF. I wanted another metal bracelet watch with a big screen. I really like that tiny watch they've added in that circle in the middle. Of course, I know this is just a big screen covered by that plastic. And finally, the AE 1500WH, a very simple watch with a huge clear screen for a very low price. Come on, I like this a lot. Alright, so if you made it this far in the video, check this out. This is the GAW100B. I actually wanted that smaller version with the blue dial, but I've put it on my wrist and it looked kind of small. So this is the bigger version, which I found by accident. When I've noticed they've put the wrong price on it, I had to get it. I've paid only 102 euros, the price of that smaller version. I absolutely love this watch. It's probably my new favorite object I own. But anyway, that's kind of it. Let me know which one of these is your favorite. Let me know if you have any questions. Stick around for some B-roll. And thank you for watching. I'm sorry.